Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting comparison between Samsung's latest flagships, the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's explore the similarities and differences that set these two giants apart. We will break down the core differences and similarities between these two powerful devices. Let's start with what they have in common. Both the S25 Ultra and the S24 Ultra share several impressive features. A stunning dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. The latest Android OS with Samsung's One UI, with the S25 Ultra featuring One UI 7. A powerful 200-megapixel wide camera and a 12-megapixel front-facing camera, a robust 5000 mAh battery with wireless charging capabilities, durable builds with IP68 dust and water resistance, and Corning Gorilla Glass Armor 2 protection. Now, let's dive into what makes the S25 Ultra stand out from its predecessor. Here are the key differences. Processor: the S25 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, while the S24 Ultra uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Display size: the S25 Ultra features a slightly larger 6.9-inch display compared to the S24 Ultra's 6.8-inch display. Storage options: the S25 Ultra offers up to 1 TB of storage, whereas the S24 Ultra goes up to 512 GB. Camera enhancements: the S25 Ultra comes with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, while the S24 Ultra has a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Design: the S25 Ultra boasts a sleek titanium Grade 5 frame, whereas the S24 Ultra features a titanium Grade 2 frame. So, there you have it. While both devices are incredible in their own right, the S25 Ultra pushes the envelope further with enhanced processing power, larger display, higher storage options, and a premium titanium design. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next video.